Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's Asset Effect right here, and on today's video I'm going to be talking about the first, second, third video about the backtesting software series which I've been doing. So in case you haven't watched the first and second, please check up here. You will see the card somewhere here, or rather check the description and you'll see the link to the first and second video, or you can also see it in my comment section. So once you watch that first video and you have any question about the first and second one, just drop your question in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you. So without further ado, the backtesting software I'm going to be talking about is the FX Replay. FX Replay is the last and the most important one, because this FX Replay have many amazing features that you would like to try, but for some reason it's on the paid and the free version. I'm using the free version right now because I got no money to spend. So I'm using the free version right now, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So after watching this video, please leave a comment and tell me what you think about the video. Just tell me what you think about the video. So without further ado, let's dive into the chart, man. I don't know why I'm so hyped up, but let's dive into the chart. So guys, as you can see right here, what we're having here is the FX Replay interface. Okay, let me let me do this. FX Replay. Let's see. Let's see what you're going to do us now. Okay. Once you tap the fxreplay.com, yeah, this is what you're going to see. This is the interface. Go to dashboard. I already have an account, that's why it's referring me directly to my dashboard. So here is the dashboard. As you can see my account here, you sign in with your mail, and this is how the interface looks like. Very sleek. You can see all the details here. All the details are laid out. One thing I like about this FX Replay is that if you look over here, you are going to see this section. If you tap on it, you are going to see the sections that you have created, or rather you come here and create a new session. This session will, like, you want to backtest now, you are going to like name the section. You choose the pairs you want to backtest on. You choose the balance you want to work with. Yeah, that's kind of it. And right here, these strategies, I will need to upgrade to use this feature. Here's the, what's it called, checklist. As you can see, I have no checklist. I'm not even ready to create one. Here you have the journal. This journal will record every trade you have been taking, the win rate, the P&L and all that. Then right here you have the analytics. This analytics is supposed to show trades. Okay, my this stuff, my internet is not connected, so let me try and get it back. 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 Okay, let's just wait a little bit and this will be on. So this analytic is going to show you, the pair, like your win rates, the P&L, weekly, daily and monthly. Let's just load up so you guys will get to understand what I'm talking about. I don't know why these guys keep disconnecting. Let's see fast. So connected. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay, this is analytic. It's supposed to show more than this now. Why you want to do like this? Why you want to do like this? Why you want to do like this? Let's head over to the dashboard. I don't want to waste much time here. So let me just show you what we have on the dashboard. This is the time invested, historical time you play. You just go through it, trade taking, you see the pair you have taken, and it's going to show the win rate right here. See the sections, the section you have, and all that. So without further ado, let's dive into the chart. Look up here, you see if you want to upgrade to the paid version, you can upgrade to the paid version. And heading over to the chart, let's go straight to the chart. So right here you can see the chart. This is a customized interface. The candle color won't be like this. This is what I've been using. So moving this sticker right here, as you can see, these are the replay tool. Very important. That replay tool, very important. So I'm looking for where to place this. Time is going on. This video is getting long. So from the start here, we have the pair. You can add the pairs you like to trade with here. You can add more pair if you didn't add it in the section, the create session area. You can see your time frames here, the candle, the chart type, candle and line chart. To add indicators, this is the undo, do and undo. Let me move this. Okay, this to save the layout, like this layout now. I saved it. This is setting to take a snapshot or screenshot or whatever they call it. So this is going to the, like, if you set it around next, like next day, go to next day. If you are trading based on session, you go to, it will take it to next session or the next day or the next week, depending on what you're trading off of. So this is the journal. This is a shortcut for the journal here. And then this to place a trade. This to place a trade, and right here is also to place. I think one of them is like, was it that place a quick trade or quick something, placing a quick trade. So one is for the long, from where you get to set the risks and all of that before entering the trade, and one is just to immediately enter the trade and set the risk parameter. So here, heading over here, this is the unrealized P&L. That is when you start documenting, when you start taking the trade here. Any profit and loss here, realized profit and loss. This is the account balance. This is analytics. What am I saying? The analytics. So this button is to move a more complex area. So this is where you can see the options of your trade open, and other necessary information. So let me just close that for now. Heading over here, lots and contracts. If you are backtesting forex pair, stock, or what's the other one, stock or futures. So this just all that. This is the quick, I think one of this is, these are the quick positions. So right here is this your, is some of the important tools, yeah, you can add. So with that being said, I think I have done justice to this, but let's just, yeah, testing the replay too. This FX replay, for some reason, I don't know if it's only me that's noticing this, but if I use it for a long time, like a longer time, maybe like for 2 hours or so, or 3, it's going to like stop. This replay to will stop. It won't be playing again. And that's why I have no other option than to switch to one of the other backtesting tools which I've made video about. If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch the video so you can compare and know which one works best for you. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please guys, I really need your subscription. Subscribe and turn on the post notification so you can get notified when I drop exciting videos like this. So let's jump over to the replay tool. Using the replay tool, of course, this is to set how fast, how quick the candle shows up, and yeah, one. So this is to show like should it be showing up in 4 hour or yeah. Then this is like the candle should show immediately instead of like gradually playing in the hour setting. Let it just come up once. So yes, let's okay. Don't tell me you're doing this right now. Bro, bro, I'm in the middle of a video. That's Nigeria for you, Sha. So let's continue though. Let's continue. Um I don't know why this replay tool is not working. Why do you want to disgrace me right now? Why do you want to do like this? Why do you want to do like this? Someone is knocking at my door, but I can't go and answer. I just want to make this video fast. I've procrastinated this video for a long time. Now that I have a chance, I don't need an interruption. But for some reason, this is what I said now. This replay tool is not. It doesn't want to work. See frustration, bro. The replay tool doesn't want to work. Like I see for you. Okay, so yeah, assuming this replay to work, you would have seen it usually works, but I don't know if this is what only happens to me because once I use it for some time, maybe a longer time, but it just misbehave anytime you want. The replay too, which is very important, just stops working for me. But every other thing works here. But let's like exit it now. Okay, let me see. Still not working. Let's see this one. Yeah. So this is what I said. Let's say we are on a 1 hour. 1 hour now. So if I'm using this now, it's going to be showing candles instead of like gradually playing out. It's going to like showing once the candle has already formed. When the candle has already been formed. See, like this now is a 4 hour candle. It's a complete 4 hour candle. So if I set here like at 2 hours now, instead of showing this 4 hour candle full now, it's going to show at least half of it 2 hours. Like I don't know if you guys understand, but okay, let me just go. Yeah, this 1 hour now. So you can see this is a 1 hour candle, and this another 1 hour candle. So if you want to like reduce or increase the candle bar, you can come over here. Here's my arrow. Come over here and set it. Then as my replay is not functioning, I'll just look for a way to manage this, or I will move over to or I will just move over to other backtesting tools which I've talked about. You should do well to watch those videos if you haven't. So I think that is the end. That will be the end of this video. And before that, please don't forget to subscribe. Please, it won't take you much. It's Asset FX right here.